Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your face in a video into a 3D cartoon character by using CapCut. So you can start by adding your video like this in the CapCut mobile, and after that you can go to effects and choose the body effects. Now you can find the roll category, so swipe until you find this roll tab, and here you can just select this cartoon face option. So click on this, and just like that your face will turn into a cartoon. You can just swipe, you can just adjust the duration to make it apply to the whole video. So this is the result. And that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.